That sauce looks good. I'm excited. Naliligaw kami, di namin makita yung restaurant. Saan ba yun?
Aha!
Ayun, nakatago. Itong Golden Dragon. Korean. Ay hindi, ano to? Hot pot. Dito pala oh. Nakatago siya, no? Pangit na location. Umikot-ikot pa kami. Nakatago siya, sayang. Ay no, hot pot. Nakatago siya. Yeah, I know. It's good on review as well. Ano yan oh, hot pot. Ganda ng loob nyo. Dragon. Dahil mahilig sa sabaw.
Ayun yung napanood natin cartoons. Yung demon sa...
Oo nga no, hindi natin natapos.
Ito mali sa kuna, sa Sobe.
Naman pala yung labubo na yun. It looks like you, AJ. Look, see? Oh, ah, akit pa pala tayo. Wala ba sa baba? CR. Ito yung panglima. Hot pot.
Not, yeah, we have...
This is our first time here. Two people. Yung 109. Pwede yung 109. Oh, nag-iba yung nakita natin. 99. Nag-add ng $10. Tayo ng sauce. Ito. Dipping sauce. There's a recommendation.
I have my own.
Just put everything on it. Put. Let's see. Let's see. I'll gaya your sauce, AJ.
I always add the peanut butter.
You put ano? Spicy? Oh, make two. Or we'll just share. You want? Make a lot. Yeah.
So I add lots of peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then
That's sesame.
barbecue sauce.
Ay, barbecue?
I
No.
don't really like
Chili.
that. I like the chili oil.
Chili. A little, one more. Okay. Put
I like the hoisin sauce.
put this one, cilantro. One more.
Is this Subway or what?
Yeah, this one. It's like
I
Subway.
don't like green onions.
A little bit, a little bit.
What's
Yeah.
that? Korean spicy sauce.
Korean spicy.
Ooh, they have a golden dragon sauce.
Is that garlic?
Just a bit of that.
Looks like konti. Put some sesame. That's hoisin.
Yeah, I like the hoisin sauce.
What's that? Calamansi.
No, it's oyster sauce.
Oh, I want this one.
You see,
Sesame.
like a lot.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. One more. That's the flavor. Okay. Good.
I feel like I want-
Look at mommy. That's it. So, what? That's
Or
looks
do you
good.
want more spice or something?
No, we'll come back later. That sauce looks good. I'm excited.
Chicken, saute, and something.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Ayan, sasaksak na lang. Ay, mami, ito, lutuin niyo na ito yung spicy.
Eh, saan yung urap niya?
Ayan, mamili ko kayo ng
Nasaan na yung urap natin?
ito, chicken,
Ito may peanut. Ito may konting asim.
asin.
Yeah, tom yum yan eh.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Lagay ko na rito.
Eh, di lagyan na natin.
Hindi
Pero,
magiging
gusto, kasi ito medyo
anghang yung isa.
Ano lang, get. Tapos kalahati
Okay.
lang.
Mhm.
Ayaw mo naman spicy, diba?
Ayaw.
ng gulay. Yung ano pa yun?
Ito, lagay nyo yung noodles. Kung ano
May
gusto.
luya. Luya ba ito?
Oo. Oh, here, noodles. Lagay nyo na para makook.
Ikaw na kayo. Wala kayo na.
Diba noodles? Hindi, lagyan naman natin sa isa. Doon ang tayo kumuha.
Lagyan ko naman ng mga kulay doon.
Sige.
Lagyan na lang natin sa isa lahat.
Mhm.
Mahirap. Hati-hatiin.
Yeah, lagay mo na lahat. Sige.
Lalaki naman ng luya. Dito lang yung isa. Ano pa naman? Luya ba ito?
Patatas.
Ay, patatas. Kala ko luya.
Well, he just dumped it. So, lagay ko ng gano'n. Silbilis.
Nakatipid sila ng kuwan dito. Oh.
It's true. Natin kung kasi sarap
Kaya na yung lawit ko.
ito, lugas.
Ito pa yung mga ano. Ito pa yung kumakaya dito. Ito pa yung mga init.
Good. How's it, baby? Good?
Ito na ito.
Ito na. Malipis na.
Sarap. I recommend it. It's good. We got some combo. Puro beef. And yung mga sauce nila, masarap. Tsaka yung soup base nila. We got tom yum. This is chicken and this is, what is it? Satay. Peanut satay. So this one is the chicken.
And DJ's magical sauce.
I always make the best sauce.
Very good.
Here. My magical sauce. Very good.
Ito na bill natin. Lima tayo, 121 plus tip, 15%. So, lahat 140. Ayan. Sarap naman. Pabalik ka pa? Gusto mo?
Yeah.
Mahirap lang hanapin to. So, sa umpisa, medyo malilito ka. Pero okay naman. All good. Peace and love.